This Weichert Realtors, the Spiesman Group, property video is presented by Celeste Ukashevsky. Where the eagles soar, you will find this amazing 4-bedroom cape located on a quiet, dead-end road, just outside Bishopsgate. You'll appreciate the well-thought-out open floor plan with master suite on the main floor and gleaming hardwood floors throughout. The gourmet kitchen is bright, spacious and affords an abundance of custom wood cabinets plus a great deal of counter space, perfect for preparing large meals. The formal dining room features a vaulted ceiling that adds additional height to the already 9-feet ceilings. Large windows along the front of the home, including 2 large bay windows on either side, lets you enjoy the magical view and sets the stage for this peaceful abode. Oversized breakfast room leads to large deck where you can enjoy quiet outdoor dining. Custom oak staircase leads to the additional 2 bedrooms and office space. The balcony overlooking the living room providing that open and airy appeal and charm that this home delivers. Enjoy the river view from the outdoors on the front rocking chair porch or from the balcony off the upstairs bedroom. The basement offers plentiful possibilities with its 10-foot ceilings, pour walls and walkout stairs. 2-car garage with stand-up attic space and carport provides ample storage for vehicles and toys. Owned solar panels relieve 95% of electric costs. Walking distance to Falling Waters nature trails, and Glasco mini pack and boat ramp. So what are you waiting for? For more information, review the details below or contact Celeste Ukashevsky at 845-336-2633.